Good morning children. कैसे हो आप लोग? Are you enjoying your vacation or not? Please do study as well. Today we'll start lesson number 1, nutrition in plants. Before that we will see one word, nutrients. You have seen previous year nutrients. What is nutrient? Nutrients are the component of food which provide us energy, help in growing. There are different type of nutrients: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, as well as minerals. So now we'll start our lesson, nutrition in plants. What is nutrition? What is nutrition? Nutrition is a process in which organism take their food and utilize by the body. The process in which organism intake their food and utilize by their body. I am repeating again. The process in which organism take their food or intake their food and utilize by their body. So there are two mode of nutrition. There are two mode. First mode is autotrophic and another mode is heterotrophic. Today we will focus on autotrophic only. Auto plus trophic. Auto means self and trophic means nutrition. Self nutrition. Now as a definition, autotrophic is a mode in which organism can make their own food. Plants can make their own food, but animals cannot make their own food. Why? Now we will see here. The process in which plants can make their own food is known as, previous year you have studied, so you should know, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process in which plants can make their own food. Photosynthesis. Photo means light, sunlight, and synthesis means to combine. So simple definition is the process in which plants can make their own food is known as photosynthesis. Now we will see in detail. What are the components, what are the things required for making food? Things are light, sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, and one more thing, that is chlorophyll. These are the four components or four things are necessary for photosynthesis. Now we will see how plants make their own food. Here I have made a little plant, leaf. The color of leaf is green. You know why? Because chlorophyll, a pigment, is present there, and chlorophyll make the color of leaf is green. Just note it down. If color of leaf is not green, it means that chlorophyll is not present. If chlorophyll is not present, then plant cannot make their own food. Animals do not have such pigment, or other organisms, some plants as well, so they cannot make their own food. That's why there are two mode, autotrophic mode, only green plants, green leaves can make their own food. In plants, leaf is the kitchen, leaf is the food factory, leaf is the place where food is prepared. Now we will see the process of photosynthesis. I tell color of leaf is green, it means that chlorophyll is present. And what is the use of chlorophyll? Chlorophyll helps to capture the sunlight. If chlorophyll is not there, then plant or leaf cannot capture sunlight. So one use of chlorophyll is capturing sunlight. Carbon dioxide, plants take carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. In the leaf, lower part of the leaf, there are a lot of tiny pores are present, and that tiny pores are known as stomata. What is the use of stomata? Stomata helps in capturing carbon dioxide. It helps in exchange of gases. And water, plants take water from the soil through the root and transport to the leaf by a pipe-like structure that is called xylem. Xylem is a tube or vessel or pipe-like structure which help in transporting water from the root to the leaf. So one by one, sunlight is captured by chlorophyll, water is absorbed by the root and transported through the xylem to the leaf, and stomata of the leaf help in capturing the carbon dioxide. Meaning photo means light and synthesis means combined. Means in the presence of sunlight, leaf combined carbon dioxide and water for making their own food. I am repeating again, photosynthesis is a process in which plant can make their own food. They take sunlight with the help of chlorophyll, take carbon dioxide through the stomata, water through the soil and transported by the xylem to the leaf. Leaf is the place where food is prepared. After food is prepared, food is stored in the form of starch. What is starch? Starch is nothing but just a kind of carbohydrates, and one more product is released in this process, that is called oxygen. So plants take sunlight, water, carbon dioxide, and food is prepared in the form of starch, as well as one product is released that is known as byproduct, which is called oxygen. Simple equation I am writing in equation form. Carbon dioxide plus water. Here you can write sunlight in the presence of sunlight, as well as chlorophyll, and food is prepared in the form of starch, and one more byproduct is released that is called oxygen. So simple, photosynthesis is a process in which plants capture sunlight, carbon dioxide and water and make their food in the form of starch, and one byproduct is released, that is oxygen. Photosynthesis is not important only for plants as well as for animals. How? What is the importance of photosynthesis for animals? If plant will not prepare their food, then what can we eat? Simple. Second thing, one byproduct is released that is called oxygen, and you know that oxygen is very important for survival. So oxygen is very necessary for us, that will we get from the photosynthesis, process of photosynthesis. Food, if plant will not be made food, we cannot eat. And third thing, in our atmosphere, the balance of carbon dioxide and oxygen will be disturbed because plants take up carbon dioxide, release oxygen. If plants will not make their own food, it means that a polluted gas that is called carbon dioxide amount will be increased. Thank you. In next video we will discuss heterotrophic mode of nutrition, a mode in which plants cannot make their own food because they do not have chlorophyll. Thank you beta.